It's your girl Snow. Y'all already read the title. So yes, I'm gonna slap these on him for 24 hours. We gonna be there for 24 hours. Well, we already in the house together. Can't go nowhere. But if y'all new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. And if you already part of the Frazy gang, I need you to go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. Okay, here you go.
What you doing?
Good morning.
What you doing? Come on, man. We got no time for this kinky stuff right now, man. I'm tired.
Come on.
Where am I going?
You gonna hang with me for 24 hours. Whatever I have to do, you gonna be handcuffed to me. So get up. I have things to do.
Stop playing right now.
Come on. I have things to do.
Come on. Stop playing. I'm tired.
Get up. You need a haircut. Come on.
Coronavirus. Got everything locked down.
Alright, yeah. So you locked down with me today.
Look like Jesus.
Yeah, so you locked down with me today. Come on, get up.
You serious right now? Like,
come on.
Like,
I don't care. Come on. Get up.
Hey.
Get up.
Wow. Come on, man.
Come on.
Alright, brush my teeth, wash my face.
Yeah, come on. We're gonna do it together. Get up. Come on. Good morning. Come on, get up. Come on.
I'm like an inmate.
Yeah, you my inmate.
You shut too tight.
Come on. Gotta brush our teeth. Say good morning. Tell them good morning.
I'm tired.
Let me sit the camera down.
Yeah, he's tripping. You see what time it is?
Come on,
serious, huh?
Yeah.
No more toothbrush.
What?
No more toothbrush. Just do my toothbrush.
For me.
You serious?
Stop. Don't be yanking me now.
Let me get the toothpaste. You can't have your arm relaxed like that. Comfort, you can't have no comfort. Handcuff is not comfortable.
Ooh, I should never been arrested before. One at a time now, for real. One at a time. Okay. It don't matter. You stop now so you stop bruising me up.
Let me get that up there.
No. Don't get slapped.
Let me get on the side.
What?
On the side. Let me get on the side.
Why?
Because I'm trying to get something over there.
But, no, you didn't. I'm not gonna take
Burger
Stop.
Oh, Burger King. No, you want to play? Burger King, go ahead.
Stop.
Don't play now. Don't play now.
I had a paper clip. Stop, you is bruising me up.
Oh, you got to pee or you got to do number 2?
I gotta do both.
Hell nah.
Okay.
Nah. Let's stop playing.
This what you get. That's how it feels to be with me.
Alright.
You better not get up. Don't be showing to me. Come on. I'm not going. Can I wear this sports bra?
You can wear whatever you want to wear. I don't really care. As long as you ain't wearing that single AF shirt, I don't care.
But I'm with you. And I'm handcuffed to you. They gonna think you crazy.
Man, listen here. What you gonna change?
I'm gonna put on.
How you gonna get dressed like that?
I'm gonna put on some pants.
You got one arm. How you gonna?
You gonna help me?
I'm not gonna help you.
Yes, you is.
Hold on. All right, let me
What?
You feed y'all something.
Come on now.
Come on now. You feed y'all.
Yeah, but you don't need to feed him right now. You just want to be.
Listen, look, he have no food. He have no food. No food. Wait, I have to pee. I have to pee.
Come on now, you doing too much.
Gonna pee up there. Hey. What you doing? Hey, my arm hurt.
You might be stink.
I had a hit before she tried.
Well, then you drive. I'm not taking no more.
No, it's not about driving. Like, how we gonna drive when I only got one hand? And how we gonna go get in the car?
Let me see.
Okay.
I gotta get in first. Wait. Come on.
Ah. The heck? This is weird. Yeah, I have to get a new toothbrush. How to get a new toothbrush?
I got a whole pack at home. You playing now?
Okay, I have to get some mouthwash. Get that one right there. Get that one for me.
You gotta come in.
Get it for me. Come on, stop playing for it now. Get it.
No, I'm not getting it.
Okay, just get it right there from the bottom. Alright, y'all.
This was a tough time.
So we just got back from CVS after playing around with her scary self. Do not want to show anybody.
Stop. It wasn't that. You were trying to make me fall. Like drag me like I was a dog or something.
She was tripping.
Now you gonna when we was at CVS you climb over the seat this time.
I'm not climbing over no seat.
I already did it. Sorry.
I'm not climbing over no seat. I'm good.
I already did it. I'm not
climbing over no seat.
Well, we just gonna sit here.
I'm not sitting here. Alright, you know what I'm saying?
Let's come. Cause you be tripping. No.
Get out.
Wait. Wait.
Come on, get out. Come on, get out.
Wait.
Get out.
You gotta turn the car.
Get out.
Wait. Let me. Y'all see how you do me?
Come on, hurry up.
Ain't shit.
Come on.
Oh, wait. Kimdrick, you gotta calm down.
Come on. Hurry up. Come on.
Wait.
I have to use the restroom.
I don't care. Stop. You gonna stop swinging me. No. I'm not gonna sit here.
What you mean?
Come on, man.
Man, I'm about to play one. I don't know what you got going on today, man. My day don't consist on following you everywhere you going. You gotta do something that I want to do.
So you want me to sit here while you play this phone game?
Man, listen, what else am I supposed to do?
I'm not gonna sit here and do this.
This is what I want to do today. Like, what am I supposed to do? What you about to do?
I'm gonna go to sleep. Ooh, man. Let me take off these clothes. Matter of fact, let me take a shower first, so if I stay asleep long,
Ain't
if I
taking no
relax.
shower over here. Ain't nothing.
I ain't getting to bed like this. We've been out all day.
I'm good.
Take it down. Hey, come on.
Just hurry up.
I can't hurry up.
I don't know how big is your body.
What?
How big is your body?
I'm not being able to take it down if you tell me. I'm working with one hand.
So what?
I'm working with one hand.
Another hand, here you go. Another hand.
But you're not helping me.
I'm helping you. I'm giving you another hand. You need another hand, you another hand. Now you got 3.
Lotion my feet.
Only got 1 hand.
Lotion my feet because I cannot go down there far even though they're not done. I'm helping you out. Thank you. Lotion them like you want to lotion them.
I have 1 hand.
This is a terrible job.
No, I have to put them between the cracks. You feel me? Like you be lotion actually between the cracks. Like,
put a little bit on my legs too.
yeah, but then again, oh damn, you want a whole job? It's like you supposed to pay for this type of job.
I don't want to be with you no. I don't want to be with you no more for 24 hours.
I'm the best person in the world to be with. I'm dope. We do TikToks. We play Uno.
No, because you take everything overboard. Just, you should just probably step on my back.
Step on it?
Yeah. Yeah, with your knee.
No. I don't want it.
What the heck? I thought you were gonna break it.
Hey, let me get that part right there.
You get on my nerves.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay, great. Just put some lotion right here. It's kind of ashy right here.
So it's 5:31. I done bathed. And he's upset. And now he has to eat dinner with me. And then we're gonna go watch a movie and go to bed like this.
Man, my day cannot consist on being locked down for 24 hours.
We on lockdown anyway.
Yeah, but dog, I had things to do. Like, I had a lot of things to do,
Okay,
Snow.
there's nothing to do.
There's better things to do than just sit here and be locked down.
Let me tell you something.
Tell me.
They don't want us outside. So we inside. And we just made it better. We inside together. I can't do this all night, Kimdrick.
Why?
Because you're making it so uncomfortable. Come over some.
Why? Why is he doing that?
What?
He's not telling me why.
Let me see.
Focus on
You trying to type?
Listen, I'm trying to do something.
See, how you can use both hands? That means you need to come over. I need both of my hands. Thank you. Don't play with me.
Yeah, ain't you?
That mean it's dirty. I mean it's dirty. Babe, I'm sleepy. How we gonna sleep? I'm real sleepy. Look, y'all. It is 10:18. Stop.
Mommy, right there on my wrist. I got a doodle.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. Okay, let's sleep. And don't be moving all the crazy and stuff.
6:20 in the morning, y'all. We gotta go to work. So we gotta end this video, man. Still got our handcuffs on. We slept through it through the night. That's it, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Till next time, Frasy Gang.